The type of things that I get into, it just never ceases to amaze me. I've unlocked babies out of cars. I got a young man out of a jail cell one time that his father was standing outside of the jailhouse begging me to get that jail cell open. The guards had jammed the door on the jail cell, and it literally took a hydraulic jack to get it loose. It wasn't really a locksmith job, but they called a locksmith for it, and I got it done. I had a couple that were locked in handcuffs one time at a chiropractor's office. They had advertised a Rolex watch on Craigslist or something, and the person coming to buy the watch really didn't want to buy it. They wanted to steal it. So they put them in handcuffs, chained them to the doors inside the house, and stole the watch.
Wow.
So the county police actually called me to undo the handcuffs because it wasn't something they had a key for. And the handcuff incident actually happened another time. A man in a hotel room who was chained in there. Can't remember who chained him in there, but okay. My name is Kevin Wilson. I've been a locksmith for 33 years.